Hi guys! In last video, we have finished modeling the cabinet. So in this one, let's fit it. Along with practice, I'm going to show you some very useful tools. Firstly, turn on Generate Fitting automatically in Properties. Select Properties, then select the frame. In Fitting tab, tick Generate Fitting and select the type for Edge Banding Fitting Groove. Tick this box to do all edge banding and tick No Door Connector to not generate connectors for the doors. Besides, if there are adjustable dowels inside the cabinets, then select the type. So this blue color is for edge banding, and here are the cabinet connectors. And here we've got back groove. Later, to change the connector type, just select another one in Fitting. For example, Camlock, and it will replace the connectors automatically. Next, it's Fitting tool. With this tool, we can create a single connector or multiple connectors with or without exact distance from edge. Select the tool, then select the type, for example, hinge. Then first click on the door, second click on the panel that will attach the door to. Here you can see the connector camlock and the hinge overlap. So we can use these tools, Move tool, Remove tool, or Reverse side to adjust the connectors. For example, move this connector. Click on the left or on the right of the connector so that it moves to the left or to the right. Type in the distance, 50 for example. Hit Enter key. To reverse all these connectors to the other side, use Reverse side all and left click on the face with the connectors. With one click, all connectors will be reversed to the other side. To create a single connector, untick the checkbox, select a type, and select two panels. If I click near this edge, then the distance is from this edge. Type in the distance, 300 for example. And to delete a connector, use Remove tool. First click near the connector and second click it will be removed. Next, we can create multi-holes with distance from edge. For example, 100 from the edge. And select cam lock. And if I type in the number of the connectors in create multi-holes, 3, and the distance 100, then we get 3 connectors. This is for demonstration. Lastly, for every component, for example, an exploded component, select it and select Auto Generate Connector tool. Tick the options to be done. For example, Auto Generate Connector, Edge Banding, and Create Groove. Then tick the type below. After that, hit Execute. Then we can also use Fitting tool to adjust the connectors. So this is how we use the tools to create connectors automatically and adjust them. For the next stage, see you in the next video.